So this kind of was a fixer-upper, so to speak. The kitchen was, I don't know if the cabinets were original, but they were close. They did, the tops didn't match the bottoms, different wood grain. The countertop was, like dark green. It wasn't even glued onto the counters. The metal sink, which I personally don't, like, because you have that rim around it, that's just awful. And also the refrigerator was at the end of the countertop. And this was a closet where the refrigerator is now. So first person I thought of was Angelo, because he had already proven to me that he could take something that wasn't there and, voila, you have this beautiful countertop that just blended right in. I am stunned. I mean, I still walk in. Now, he finished maybe like 2 months ago. I still walk into this kitchen and say, holy cow, this is amazing. He is just amazing. He listens to what you want. He has the eye for what can be done. He guided me through the whole process. And yeah, like I say, I still come in this kitchen and I'm so pleased. When he was done, everything was spotless. He even vacuumed the inside of the drawers. Very, very thorough, very clean. I didn't even know he was here. I've recommended him to my sister. She was thinking about getting her kitchen redone. I said, you have to call this guy first. I love my kitchen. I love my kitchen. Angelo, thank you. I love my kitchen. I do. And like I say, I had to buy a kitchen table just so I could keep looking at my kitchen. And the cabinet doors, they're slow closing, and I'm like, oh, I'm still amazed at that. So yeah, it's beautiful. Just beautiful. So happy.